Okay, so here we are. Wow, Grand Canyon, picnicking, helicopter picnicking. That's not our helicopter, but it's a cool one. And I think a boat's coming too. Nice. The feeling here is like these like otherworldly machines like landed on Mars and decided to have a picnic. It's really kind of surreal right here, considering how long this has been here. But yeah, so we just all like chilled, had like a helicopter meeting. We got like 4 choppers on the ground here. And there's Justin Scott. Here comes Justin Scott! Woo!
Fly home.
We gotta show some love for our helicopter too. We gotta take some pictures of it.
You know, I feel bad. Our tour guide is the coolest guy.
Yeah, he is cool.
He's very
super cool.
It's probably like all those guys over there.
I know. I feel like we're dissing our
champagne.
I know. I feel like we're dissing our chopper. All right, so you're gonna get us. Why don't you get a still picture? Well, let's take some pictures of the helicopters is waiting to land, because they do this 4 times. Each pilot does this 4 times a day.
That's neat. That is so neat.
I'm recording right now, by the way. Oh, I had to change tape, so don't die. Here you go. Here, shoot a little video real quick.
Yeah, I know.
It's all. It's recording. It's going right now.
Okay. Yeah, I feel bad. Robert hasn't been getting in the videos here.
No, I'm good.
So here we are, Grand Canyon.
This is the Grand Canyon. That's our helicopter.
Mm-hmm.
Santiago is our pilot, and it's all
Over
good.
there, somewhere over there. Do you see him? Yeah. Look at these canyon walls. Man, I don't understand how we're in the Grand Canyon right now. It's not registering exactly.
No, it's not. The mighty Colorado River is right there.
Yeah.
We could jump in it if we wanted to.
That thing meandering through here, eating away.
Yep.
Man.
Nice. Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Cool. Feel like hanging off.
So go stand next to the chopper. Oh, startup sequence. Okay, we got to stand back.
Are you taping it, Phil?
Yeah. That'd be a good thing to tape, right? Yeah. Okay, let's get back. Okay, our amigos are taking off. Bye, Candios. We'll see you back at Boulder City. And away they go. Nice.